Hi everybody, you're now watching a pest control video. In this one you will see grey squirrels legally controlled here in the UK trying to protect the reds in our area. If you don't like this kind of thing, turn off now. In these next few clips I'm using my FX Dreamline Tactical. It's 177 caliber and I'm using the Air Arms Diablo Field pellets. This clip is a prime example of a squirrel's nervous system shutting down. Trust me, it's dead. It may thrash around for a while, but it's dead. It's getting increasingly difficult to spot these coming in with the new leaves on the trees and the vegetation growing. So we feel it's really important to make sure that you keep a good clear area in front of the feeder to give you a decent clear shot. This one decided it was going to have a little chat with its dead pal. I arranged a meeting for him. This one takes a pellet right in the perfect spot between the eye and the ear, and you see the blood come out, but for some reason I didn't like its reaction. It seemed as if it wasn't a clean kill shot, so it got a second. If you've any doubts on a clean kill shot, it's always best to make sure that it was, even if that means breaking cover. Here's a great example as to why you should wait until the squirrel is totally settled. Schoolboy error, you'd think I'd know better by now. Look at the white mark on the tree. Second time, it wasn't so lucky. These next few clips are with my FX Impact Mark II, again in 177 and shooting the JSB heavies. Using a thermal spotter to give you plenty of notice as to when they're coming in gives you a great advantage. This one I'm using here is the Hick 15mm, the Vulcan, and absolutely brilliant piece of kit. This is the one I watched coming in using the thermal spotter. totally oblivious that I'm sat there in the hide. You can see he's a little bit nervous because he's got a couple of dead pals on the floor, but then something surprising happens. He'll come round the tree again, then he takes a bit of a lunge at what I thought was a dead one on the floor. You see the one move again at the base of the tree? Turns out another one had come in from my right hand side. So that one gets dispatched, the other one runs up the tree, and I get a nice easy double. Well, that's it for this one. If you haven't subscribed already, if you would subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. There'll be lots more videos coming in the near future. So look after yourselves. Paul and Steve.